Today I'm showing you my go-to homemade mozzarella cheese recipe. You only need 3 simple ingredients. It's stretchy, delicious, and there's a special twist at the end. Make sure you watch till the end to see it. Start with 2 liters of milk. Warm it gently. Not too hot, just enough so your finger doesn't burn. Now add 1/4 cup of white vinegar to the warm milk. Stir gently and let it sit for 5 minutes. You'll see the milk separate into clear liquid and soft curds. If it doesn't separate, add a little more vinegar. Now it's time to gather the curds. You can use your hands or a strainer. Squeeze out the extra water. Feel the texture. See how milk turns into cheese right before your eyes. Rinse the curds under water to remove the vinegar taste. Place them back in a pan, on a medium to low flame. Stir continuously. You'll see more water coming out. Remove this water and keep stirring the cheese. Add a pinch of salt. This gives the cheese its classic flavor. Don't overstir. The cheese can turn rubbery. Transfer the cheese into a tight container. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. This makes it easier to shape. After 10 to 15 minutes, take the cheese out. Grate it easily. The aroma is amazing. The taste is perfect. Use it on pizza, pasta, or enjoy it fresh. Look at that stretch. Homemade mozzarella at its best. Try this recipe and see the magic for yourself. I'll see you in the next quick recipe. Take care and happy cooking.